Sa mga mommies dyan, hindi pa ba ready mag-back to school ang inyong mga chikiting? Narito ang ilang tips mula sa ating mga celebrity mommy kung paano sila i-ready para dyan. Let's watch this.
Back to school na ang mga chikiting, pero tiyak ang ilan sa kanila ay hindi pa ready pumasok at nasa vacation mode pa. Kaya naman ang ilang celebrity moms may tips on how to make mornings hassle-free and make your kids ready and excited for school. Tip number 1, introduce your kids to kiddie shows or cartoons na nagpapakita at magpaparamdam sa kanila na masaya ang pumasok sa school to learn and to have fun with their teachers and classmates. Yan ay galing sa isa sa mga bida ng upcoming afternoon soap na sa piling ni nanay na si Yasmin Curdy.
Kasi yung mga bata gustong-gusto nila nakikita yung ginagaya yung mga palabas na napapanood nila. So, I guess para malaman niya rin na, gusto ko rin maging katulad nito na pumapasok ako sa school. Tagalog time!
Tip number 2, be a hands-on mom. Just like Cheska Garcia Kramer, host of parenting lifestyle show on GMA News TV, Mami Manual. Gabi pa lang, make sure na nakaayos na lahat ng gagamitin ng inyong mga kids for school, such as their uniform, bag, and their homeworks or other school requirements.
Now, the best way to not cram is to do things early on. For me, I believe in doing a list of your priorities, doing a list of your day. What are the things that you need to accomplish? When you organize your mind and your thoughts, then you'll be organized also with doing things at home and for yourself.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a doctor, artist.
Tip number 3, it's also a plus to make yourself involved with what's happening with your kids in school.
Tinitignan ko na ano sa notebook nila, ano ba yung mga kailangan nila. May mga requirements ba sila na kailangan sa school, mga projects. Ako mismo pupunta sa school, kakausapin ko yung teacher. So let's see what Kendra did.
Kaya sa mga mommies out there, start your day right with these helpful tips. Hindi lang ikaw ang magiging happy whole day, maging ang inyong mga chikiting.